Hey everyone, it's early. I don't even have my jewelry on. I think I'm still in my bathrobe. Yes, I'm still in my bathrobe. Anyway, I got this 9 of Earth box and I can't for the life of me remember if it's just a one-off box or if it's part of a subscription, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into this right now. So yeah, let's do this. So it comes in this wrap. It's a box in a bag. Okay, so let's get into there. Oh, sweet. I think this is the tarot box, which is crazy because I don't even know how to do tarot. But let's see. Alrighty. So this is the box that I have. It's pretty cool. It's got, you know, your skull, your cat, snake. Let's pull this open here. I feel bad cutting through that. Okay. All right. Let's go. Oh, cool. Okay, this is probably like, you know, cheats, so I won't read that in front of anyone. Yeah, here's a quick peek. Okay, we're gonna get into this. How freaking cute. Okay, so see, like, I guess these are stickers, pumpkin or stamps. Very cool. Sorry about that light. So we got that. I love this kind of glittery stuffing here. I see, this is very pretty. Open this all the way. I guess this is kind of, and maybe an altar cloth. Oh my goodness gracious, do you see him? Isn't he cute? Or she, whatever. Beautiful skull. Oh my God, and this box smells amazing. So we got that. I'll get some of this glitter out of the way here. All right, and then I see, how fun, oh goodness gracious, this cool little, I believe it's probably either onyx or obsidian, looks like a necklace. Let's jump into this thing right here. By the way, I'm hating this lighting. I'm sorry I put this on, it's so bright. Okay, anyway, yes, how cool is that? It's got like a spider on it. This is perfect for Halloween too. It's a little tied up here, but yes, very cool. So we got that. I see a rock. What kind of rock did I get? What's my crystal? Oh, there's 2. Okay, maybe orange calcite, possibly yellow quartz. This is also probably obsidian. That's my guess. We'll see what happens with those. Oh, I already see some tarot cards that are like interesting to me here. Oh, how cute. Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern tarot. Oh, wow. How cool. I can't wait to get into these. Oh, I love it. I love everything Halloween. All right, and then we have, let's do this. We have the Black Magic incense sticks. They smell great. Don't really know what the scent is, but they smell amazing. So we got that. Holy moly, so much in here. Oh, what are you? Okay, are we soap? Maybe soap. How cute, Ouija. Yes, I think you're soap. Hello from the other side, vegan bath blaster. Oh, it's a bath bomb. Cool. I make bath bombs too. I dig this. That's a great mold. And I love how it's got the mica and it's glittery. That's amazing. Great job. Okay. I see a little fortune cookie with some chocolate. I'm sure my daughter's going to steal that, so I'll put that off to the side for her. Some cool candles. Awesome. Vampire candles. Sweet. So they look like they're black candles that are probably red candles that are then dipped again in black to bleed out red. Very cool. Tears candles. Amazing. Okay. We also have, oh, how cute. Little bat, and he's a, looks like a chime candle holder. Adorable. How cute. No, he's just a little, I mean, I guess you could put maybe an incense on him. You could probably stick a little candle on there too. I dig him. He's so cute. We're going to go with incense holder. We'll see what it says. And last thing I got, there's also paper in here. Oh, candy corn lip balm by Crazy Rumors. Cute, cute, cute. My daughter will probably also steal this from me. So, and let's see. Oh, and it's telling me I'm monthly, so this was my first box. There we go. Awesome. I'm in love. This is amazing. Okay, so let me get out my little cheat sheet here and see what all it says that I had. See how close I was to accurate. So we have the Jack-o'-lantern tarot cards. We have the floral skull altar cloth, the vampire tears candle, the black magic incense sticks, the bat incense holder, so it was an incense holder, the bath bomb, the black onyx spider necklace, so it was black onyx, the candy corn lip balm, it was a black obsidian stone, and an orange calcite, yay, my guessing's good, and then the postcard art print 3-pack, which was this. So you guys, I have to tell you, very pleased with this box. I'm super happy that I'm going to be getting it monthly now. This is so cute, and I cannot wait to learn to do a little bit more with these guys because I know nothing of tarot. I am more of an oracle girl myself, but very, very cool. Quite happy with this box. Really feel like it's an awesome value too. And sorry, I'm still in my bathrobe. But anyway, you guys, thanks so much. There's the candy corn. Thanks so much. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I have a couple other channels too, so if you want to peek those out, they're also listed in my link below. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.